Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Welcome to the Tactical Husband Show. I'm your host, Sailor, the Tactical Husband. And we're doing a review of another new product that I just picked up. And any of the reviews that I've done in this, in some of my videos and this video, I purchased with my own money. They don't know me. They just know I bought it from them. Okay, so we can be 100% transparent with this video. Okay, so got me a new little product that I've been interested in. And here it is. Bam. The new Osight SE enclosed optic red dot for pistols. You could use it on a rifle, but I think it's too small for, you know, putting it on a rifle. So let's go down to the table and let's open it up and get to it. Alright, so here we are. Alright, this is the Osight ES enclosed optic, multi-reticle, so you've got the 2 MOA dot and a 32 MOA sucker, and you can pick which one you want. And I just have to say once again that this is made by Osight. They make really good packaging. So let's get it unboxed and check it out. Boom. Boom. Alright, this is your card on how to zero your optic, you know, how it works, and you know how to adjust the elevation and the windage and how to mount it. Alright, set that to the side. Thank you for being part of the Osight family. Your support is the reason we are here. Enjoy, Osight team. Well, thank you very much. And we open it, and there it is. It's a little small optic, but it's nice. I usually use Holosun 407C X2 and the 507C X2, but I figured I'd give this a shot because I got something I'm putting it on. So let's see what you get here in the little packaging, if I can get it out. Big fat dad fingers here. Alright, so nice little packet. Ooh! Tactical silicone. Snack. Save that guy for later. Yoink! And there it went. Alright, so we got this box. We got the user manual. So let's see what we get in the little box here. So see what all comes in this. Alright, so here's your little tool. This is how you can mount it, the screws and everything, your elevation change, and for your battery tray. Let's see. Yes, look at the face, little demon skull face, pretty cool. Alright, and then here, this is pretty cool. Look at how many different types of screws they gave you. Most of them give you like one set of screws, maybe two. And you get 6. Wow. 6 each, and they're nice and they're neat. Wow. And you get 3 of these, I guess, because of the big ones. Yeah, 11 millimeters. Yeah. But still. And it slides apart. That's pretty nifty. So it stays nice together. See, I appreciate stuff like this, so you don't have this loose plastic everywhere. Which is funny. This is half the cost of a Holosun. And then in this package, you got your user manual, it looks like. Blad out. Ooh, and you get a microfiber cleaning glove. That's always nice. You know, wipe off your face, or you know, you use it on the optic, whatever. And then you got your safety warning package. You know, safety warning, and of course they're in, you know, 1900 different languages. So let's set that aside, set that aside, set that aside, and let's look at this. Nice little optic. So very nice. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on the reticle. Brightness might be down a little bit. Let's see here. Yep, it was. There it is. The autofocus on the camera is not wanting to pick it up, but it is in a dot circle configuration. Now I have a slight astigmatism, and a little fingerprint on there. Let's wipe that off. Look, I'm already using it. Pops. So looking through this one, it's a little blurry, but it also depends on how tired I am, how much caffeine I've had that day too. But all in all, it is very clear. It has got a very clear window. Let's see. You get the pointer finger. See, it's a very clear screen. And that's where it opts at. Here's your elevation. And there's your windage. Alright. And it's got a side-mounted battery tray. Like, even some of your high-end companies can't even do that. You still got to take the opted off to change the battery. That is awesome. And big buttons, tactile. They protrude a little bit, but not horrible, you know. And yeah, I like it. I really do. And I got one of my hairs on it. Oh no! Get out of here, bad boy. So let's talk about some of the specs on this bad boy. So it is made out of 70-75 aluminum. So it's good material. It has a 2 MOA dot and a 32 MOA circle. It has 8 daytime settings and 2 nighttime settings, which 1 and 2 are your night vision settings, nighttime whatever settings, and the other ones are your daytime. The battery is a CRA 1620 with up to 75 hours of life on the dot only mode 3. So I'd say, you know, the one I'm going to use it on, it'll probably last about a year. I always change them out, you know, the first year on my birthday, you know, depending on what time of the year I get the optic. And like I said earlier, it is a RMSC footprint, so it should fit RMS and RMSC. It has shake awake. It is parallax free. It weighs 0.97 ounces and has a waterproof rating of IPX7, and it has 1 click for MOA per click for just in windage elevation. So Osight says that when you use your screws, it depends on which one you're using, depends on how much torque to put in. So the M3 is 15 inch-pounds, the M4 is 17, and I think 18 and 19. But you also got to go off the gun manufacturer, what they recommend too. So usually 15 inch-pounds is plenty to hold on a reticle optic on a pistol. So you might be thinking, what are you thinking about putting that on there, Sailor? And I don't know, maybe something fancy 2011, or you know, maybe bam, the 6-hour P322. That's what it's going on. There's a video coming out about this. Bye. So I'm going to do some shooting with this when I get to the range and do another video. And this is also cool because a lot of them you have to take off your rear sights. It gives you rear sights on the rear. Nifty. Well, as far as holding it in my hand and looking at the specs and everything and how it feels and the packaging and everything, so far, Osight, I think he did good. Now, I know when they first come out with their optics, they had a lot of issues. But they've listened to their customers and they fixed their issue. And from my understanding, they have one of the best customer service. They will fix things, and they come, I think this comes with a lifetime warranty on it. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it comes with a lifetime warranty on it. So we'll get it on the gun and go to the range and add that footage to it. All right, to the range. Okay, well, I haven't got to make it to the range yet to test out the new Osight SE, but I will. So subscribe to the channel, and that way you can see the upcoming video once I get to the range and get to test it out. All right, thanks for coming. Thanks for hanging out with me. And as always, have a wonderful day. Peace out.